Surah, number 75, of Quran Majeed. The Resurrection.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
La uqsimu biyawmil qiyamah.
I swear by the day of resurrection.
ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة.
And I swear by the self-critical soul.
أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه.
Does man suppose that we will not put together his bones at resurrection?
بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه.
Yes, indeed, we are able to reshape even his fingertips.
بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه.
Indeed, man desires to go on living viciously.
يسأل أيان يوم القيامة.
He asks, when will be this day of resurrection?
فإذا برق البصر.
But when the eyes are dazzled,
وخسف القمر.
the moon is eclipsed,
وجمع الشمس والقمر.
and the sun and the moon are brought together.
يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر.
That day man will say, where is the escape from this day?
كلا لا وزر.
No, indeed. There will be no refuge.
إلى ربك يومئذ المستقر.
That day the final goal will be toward your Lord.
ينبأ الإنسان يومئذ بما قدم وأخر.
That day man will be informed about what works he had sent ahead to the scene of judgment, and the legacy that he had left behind.
بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة.
Indeed, man is a witness to himself.
ولو ألقى معاذيره.
Though he should offer excuses to justify his failings.
لا تحرك به لسانك لتعجل به.
Do not move your tongue with it to hasten it.
إن علينا جمعه وقرآنه.
Indeed, it is up to us to put it together and recite it.
فإذا قرأناه فاتبع قرآنه.
And when we have recited it, follow its recitation.
ثم إن علينا بيانه.
Then, its exposition, also, lies with us.
كلا بل تحبون العاجلة.
No. Indeed, you love this transitory life.
وتذرون الآخرة.
And forsake the hereafter.
وجوه يومئذ ناظرة.
Some faces will be fresh on that day.
إلى ربها ناظرة.
Looking to their Lord.
ووجوه يومئذ باسرة.
And some faces will be scowling on that day.
تظن أن يفعل بها فاقرة.
Knowing that they will be dealt out a punishment breaking the spine.
كلا إذا بلغت التراقي.
No, indeed. When it reaches up to the collarbones.
وقيل من راق.
And it is said, who will take him up?
وظن أنه الفراق.
And he knows that it is their time of parting.
والتفت الساق بالساق.
and each shank clasps the other shank.
إلى ربك يومئذ المساق
That day he shall be driven toward your Lord.
فلا صدق ولا صلى
He neither confirmed the messages of Allah, nor did he pray.
ولكن كذب وتولى
But denied them, and turned away.
ثم ذهب إلى أهله يتمطى
And went back swaggering to his family.
أولى لك فأولى
So, woe to you. Woe to you.
ثم أولى لك فأولى
Again, woe to you. Woe to you.
أيحسب الإنسان أن يترك سدى
Does man suppose that he has been abandoned to futility?
ألم يك نطفة من مني يمنى
Was he not a drop of emitted semen?
ثم كان علقة فخلق فسوى
And then a clinging mass? Whereat he created and proportioned him.
فجعل منه الزوجين الذكر والأنثى
And made of him the two sexes, male and female.
أليس ذلك بقادر على أن يحيي الموتى
Is not someone like that able to revive the dead?